Diane in Denmark here, rah rah rah, and thanks for joining me again. Guess what? Day 5 of our 5-day, 5-minute declutter challenge. And as I promised, I've got a little surprise for you at the end of the video. But first things first, we are taking our timers, or you can use me as the timer, and we're working for 5 minutes, just anywhere you like in the house. I'm doing Flylady Zone 5, the living room, the kind of one of the most hygge rooms in our house. Remember, you can work anywhere you like. I've got ideas on my blog, dianedenmark.com, of things you can declutter and clean in this area. And if you want me to clean and organise together with you, I've got a whole playlist for Flylady Zone 5 and basically for all the Flylady zones. So I'll put a link up to that. I'll put a link to that up there, and I apologise for the kind of sounds off in the background. That's Tweet and Sparky, our lovebirds. They are full of the joys of spring, so they're kind of flying around in our garden room through there, and I'm kind of full of the pollen that we have at the moment. I don't know if it's the same where you are. Anyway, my items for Zone 5, here we go. We keep games in the corner, and I've got a couple that are going. I will check with the kids if they want them, and if not, they're being donated. So we've got this one that we bought. It was okay, but we didn't really play it. It's not a classic, so that is being donated. Big Bang Theory, we got that for my daughter's birthday several years ago. I'm not sure she wants that, so she's got her own flat now. And Dungeons and Dragons, I can't even remember where we got it. Somebody passed it on to us. Again, I'm not sure the kids will want it. I will check with them, and then that will be donated. They've never played this one, so it's not like something from their childhood. And this one, I'm not decluttering. I actually did declutter one of them because I had 2 Mastermind games. But I loved Mastermind as a child, and this really is a classic. But look at it. I've always been fascinated with the picture on the front. It's very dated. Anyway, I'm bringing this back into circulation because my husband and I, we've been playing Wordle. Have you been playing Wordle? It's kind of taken the Wordle world by storm, and I love that game, and it's kind of based on Mastermind but with letters. So this is coming back into circulation. So that just shows you when you look around for things to declutter, you kind of discover things. I've got a few rechargeable batteries. Now, you can recharge batteries again and again and again, but they do actually have, a limited life. I tried charging them. These will not charge anymore. So those are going into the recycling. A couple of things from Flylady Zone 1, because somebody, a subscriber here on YouTube, or maybe it was a follower on Instagram or my Facebook page, she had mentioned something about vases, and I thought, oh yeah, I was taking out my vases the other day for, we like to bring in a bit of hygge in Denmark with, bringing the outside inside. So I've got a lot of little blooms around the place. And these ones, I don't really like them, and I never use them. So these, I will check again with the kids, see if they want them. This one, yeah. This one, I actually remember when I bought this. I worked in Luxembourg for the British judge at the Supreme Court of Justice. And Luxembourg, if you know on a map where Luxembourg is, it's landlocked. And you've got France one way, Germany the other way, Belgium up north. And so I would do my shopping at the weekend in France, we'd go bowling in Germany, and then go for the weekend up to Brussels. And I remember buying this one for the first flat that I had in Luxembourg. That would be 1989, because I was there from 89 to 98. And I bought this in a store, maybe it's still there in Luxembourg, in Metz in France, called Pierre and Paul. But anyway, time to let it go, and I never use it these days, so another donation. A lot of you have asked about these baskets that I showed you. I got these baskets from Flylady when I worked as a Flylady premium mentor back in the day, and they make a great visual. They no longer sell them in the Fly store. And actually, I wouldn't recommend these type of things because they're very kind of unwieldy, and if you've got heavy things they're, you know, they might break or something. So you absolutely, you know, don't need to get anything like this. The main thing is that you just declutter. Right, now that the business is done, onto a little surprise. Woohoo! I am doing a giveaway. You know, normally I do a giveaway once a month of a coaching session with me. I'm a routines coach, I'm a hygge expert, and because we've been doing this little challenge, I'm doing a special giveaway. If you have commented on my Facebook page, Diane in Denmark, if you have commented here on YouTube, on the YouTube channel, if you have commented on Instagram, you are in the drawing for a free coaching session. So I'm giving a free coaching session in each of those 3 places. So 3 chances to win. And don't worry if you've just found the challenge. And I'm going to keep the giveaway open for a week. So you have a week to comment, and I will just pick names at random. So if that's not motivation to get up off your bahookie and get decluttering, I don't know what is. And very important, make sure when you're commenting here that you are subscribed and you have notifications on, because a couple of times I have had problems contacting the winners of the giveaway. Right, I'm going to get on with my day. Over to you, 5 minutes. Go find something. Let us all know what you found. I hope you have enjoyed this 5-minute 5-day declutter challenge. Live long and prosper. May the decluttering hygge be with you, and I'll see you very soon with a rah, rah, rah. Woo! Go us. Bye for now.